I am seeing double today. So here we got a couple pretty badass free ride builds. You guys are gonna notice these are converted to big wheels. Now if you own a free ride, we are gonna be offering a kit for them. So these bikes have the new billet swing arm on them. It was a little bit of a challenge getting the chain alignment proper on this bike, but we got it done. This chassis is a whole lot skinnier than a full-size bike. So we went ahead and added some wide folding foot pegs. Wanted to make sure we had enough clearance on here. We also bumped them forward about a ½ inch. Had our billet triple clamps anodized. Everything turned out real nice. Now a lot of guys ask if the OEM headlight will work on the KTMs. We were able to actually make this work with the wide front fender. We were able to reuse the front brakes from the Freeride with our billet hub. We made a rotor adapter for the Freeride brake and caliper. So everything lines back up like OEM. We've got a heavy duty front axle, again with the billet hub and the 12-inch wheel. On the back, we've actually upgraded to a CRF 450 style rear brake with a larger disc. Again, billet hub, billet rotor adapter. Got some nice Honda style chain adjusters on here. We also extended the rear brake line to make it work with this swing arm because we actually added a little bit of length on this swing arm to just expand the wheelbase a little bit. Yeah, other than that, everything came together real nice. Take this thing for a ride and you guys can kind of hear it or maybe not hear it because it's electric. But I'll try to give you guys a preview and a feel of what it looks like to ride one. So let's get to it.
Thoughts on the KTM Freeride rebuild?
What are my thoughts? I think it's a go anywhere bike. I think it's stealth. If noise is an issue and you want to be quiet in the woods, this is the bike. It's even cooler with the big wheel kit. You can literally go anywhere. Air the tires down, ride over some gravel, ride over some rocks, and just rip it. It's a blast. All right guys, that was fun. I only rode the bike in mode 1. If you want to see me ripping one of these, go to my KTM Freeride trike video. That thing was a blast. It's a wheelie machine. This will definitely rip wheelies too, but I do not want to burn the tires up. It's a fresh build, so I'm going to leave these in pristine condition, get them shipped off to my customer in Florida, and get on to his next build. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Again, head over to bvcbigwheels.com. Check out what we've got to offer. We've got a lot of kits for different bikes, all the gas bikes, of course, and we've now added the KTM Freerides. We'll see you in the next one.